Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your war chef at wareva.com. Today we're going to make another recipe with Horlicks Oats. For this, we're going to use eggs and also you all know cabbage, carrot, they're always associated with losing weight. And here we have Horlicks Oats with a lot of fiber and all the goodness that helps you maintain your weight, blood pressure and cholesterol. With the Horlicks Oats, we're going to make this for breakfast. So first, heat the pan up a little bit and I'm going to let this oats slightly heat up. In the meanwhile, I'm going to add grated carrot, lots of cabbage, and in this, I'm going to season it with mixed herbs and pepper powder. That's it. I don't want to add too many ingredients for this. You all know that the pepper powder helps in removing a little odd flavor from the eggs. And in this, we're going to add some salt. You're going to mix this and add eggs to this. This is good enough for 3 people. I'm going to make one, cut into 3 pieces and we're going to enjoy it. Mix all of this good and of course I'm going to top it up with cheese little later. We're going to add half of the cheese. By adding this cheese, this is going to get even more tasty and my oats, the nice aroma is coming from the oats and I'm just going to add this little bit hot oats to this, no big deal. In the pan, I'm going to add butter. The awesome aroma of butter, mix this oats with this mixture and I'm going to pour it on top of this. You can make it the way you want now, the thickness. I usually like it a little bit thinner. Some people like it a little bit thicker. Spread this mixture. Has any one of you tried the cabbage diet? I'm telling you, this oats diet is a lot better than any of those things. I'm going to let this cook on a slow flame for around 3 to 4 minutes. Horlicks Oats is available at the retail store near your home. Grab a bag and bring home the goodness and good health. Once it's cooked like 3-4 minutes, I'm going to turn it on the other side. Be a little careful and wow. I'm going to top it up with some of the leftover cheese and some grated carrot. Put the lid on, let it cook in its own heat for a few more minutes. In another 4 minutes, the cheese is all melted and perfect. Look at this. Now cut it into the pieces you want and serve it hot. This is good enough at least for 2 people. Let's go ahead and try it. Dear friends, instead of making just an omelette, make it even more healthier by using Horlicks Oats. And every bite is heavenly. By adding cheese, this is awesome. Cabbage and carrot makes it even more delicious. This is so good. Even instead of uttapam, you can make this and carry it in your lunchbox or great for breakfast. Just awesome and perfect. The way we say, stay fit, live healthy with Horlicks Oats. See you in another session. Bye-bye.